is the youngest kid ever to do the biggest stunt a 7-year-old could ever do. Okay, can you see yourself?
No.
Can you see your bed?
Yeah, I can.
That's all we need to do.
I can see.
Okay.
Okay.
Right.
Okay, now I'm right here.
This is the biggest stunt any 7-year-old can do.
Duh. I'm not nervous because
He is about to jump.
Marvin, vlog it. Vlogging more.
I'm vlogging. He is about to jump.
3, 2, 1, go. Okay, that was my stunt. And if you wanna me to do another stunt on the thing, I'm gonna show you another stunt.
Also, comment below, and we'll continue these vlogs.
No, it's not up there, it's right here. It's not up there, it's right here.
No, he is our stunt man. This is a stunt short.
I am holding on to the ladder. And I'm gonna go upside down.
He is about to climb the ladder upside down.
Like this. Go upside down on the ladder. Now I'm gonna do pull-ups.
Just do the stunt.
Okay, this is the stunt. I'm gonna jump off this.
Can he do it?
Can you get all that stuff out the way?
He must jump. 1.
This is the stunt because my parents are gonna catch me.
3, 2, 1, jump. He has done it. If you like this video, comment down below, give a thumbs up for the rest of the videos. Goodbye.